Alright, welcome back to my channel. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but does the quality of the video look a little bit better? And if so, I really splurged for you guys. I got a new camera, so I was using, on the first 4 videos, I was using my iPhone. So I decided, I'm like, you know what? I'm getting serious about this YouTube thing, so I went out and got a camera. If you guys are wondering which one I got a pretty popular one, and that's the Canon G7. So I got that camera, and so far so good. So if you can tell, if the video quality is a little bit better, that's why. So I hope that makes the channel a little bit more enjoyable. But let's get to the mods. So today we are installing a red start stop button. So it came in this cute little ring box. I got this on Amazon, and it's really good quality, and I double checked. So I shined a flashlight through this start stop button because I just wanted to make sure that the light came through, and it does. So I'll put the link down in the description of where I got this. Well, got it on Amazon, but so it's easy for you guys to find. There are some out there. I did order one start stop button, and it wasn't transparent, so the light did not come through. So just warning you guys, not all start stop buttons are the same. So this one, like I said, the light shines through. So let's go ahead. Well, before we get going on the install, I want to kind of go over the tools you need. So you're going to need some plastic trim tools. You're going to need some of these. These are like screws for if you work on PCs. I mean, I think, or you know, glasses. They're just these small little flathead screws, and you're gonna need these to pry the backing of the starter off. But those are the tools you're gonna need. But anyway, let's get started with the install. Okay, so you're gonna take these 2 pick tools, and it's best to start at the bottom. So if you start right here, just start right at the bottom, and you kind of just get it started, and then you want to place the bigger one and just gently pry, and it will pop out just like that. So just go around, and then once you have it out like that, you can just take it and pull it out like so. And then so now it's out. So now all you do in the back is you just press this little tab right here down, and it will come out, and it'll come out like so, like that. So you just leave that wire right there, and then now we're gonna go take this, and we're gonna take the back pieces off, but we'll go do that right now in the garage. Okay, so we have it out. I'm in the garage, and so, ooh, focus there. So here is, Phil, focus. Okay, there we go. So camera wouldn't focus there. So this is the housing. So you want to unclip these on all 4 sides. And so let's do that now, and then that will expose the 2 clips that we need from this on the back. You're gonna use the small little flathead screwdriver, and this is gonna help you. God, why is my camera not focusing? Technical difficulties. All right, there we go. I don't know what's going on with my camera, guys, but that is the flathead we're gonna be using, and we're just gonna pry. Oh, there we go. We're just gonna pry that backing apart, so let's do that now. So we're just gonna take that and pry it back like that, and you want to be really gentle. It doesn't take a lot of force. So let's just pry it back a little bit. Okay, a little pop there. And then when you pry it up, you just want to push back a little bit so it pops forward like that. So a couple more. Okay, one more. And you just want to be really gentle. Okay, one more. Okay, there we go. So now we take that apart, and now this is where those two clips in from the starter button. They're just right in there, and you just want to pry those apart. So it looks, these are the ones that go inside of this, so you just want to pry it apart, and then this button will fall out this way. So let's do that. So we're gonna take that, we're gonna go in here. One tip, guys, when you're trying to get this button out, you'll see right here, there we go. So right up here, if you go from the top and try and snap the button out, it won't work. It'll keep snapping back in. So you have to kind of come from the side and unsnap it. And then you do it on this side too. And then once you do that, the button falls right out. Okay, so now all we gotta do is snap this red start stop button into the casing or the housing. So let's do that. So all you do is just make sure the start stop button is facing upright, and then what you do, you just snap it in until you hear those clicks and make sure it's lined up properly. Let's see. Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that, but it snapped in. And so one didn't snap in fully, so I'm just gonna help it snap over a little bit. Let's see, just snap right over, there we go. And that one, make sure that one is snapped all the way over. I'm just prying the little plastic tab over, making sure it's all the way snug. Okay, and that's how it looks. It looks really good. So now let's snap the back of the housing back on and then put it in the car. Okay, all you do, you just want to line it up just like how you took it off. And so we have it all lined up like so, and just snap it all together like that. And that is it. So you snap, press it. Sounds good. All right, so let's get it back in the car. All there's left to do is just snap the wires back into and make sure they're in the proper alignment. So let's see, yep, that's right. So we just line it up there, snap it in, that works. And then so now you just push it back in. Now just make sure you're not scratching the interior or anything. Just push it back in, and voila. Now that looks good. Now I'll turn off, or I'll pull the light away. So that's how the start stop button works. Looks really, really good, and probably adds a bunch of power too, which I'm excited about. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Love it. All right guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. So that was just a quick little install and super easy. So if you're looking to get a red start stop button for your BMW F30, that was install, as you could see, super easy. Took I mean, literally 10 minutes. Looks really good. I'm really happy with it. And sorry if it got a little dark at the end. And I work during the day, so if I'm filming, it has to be after work. So, or on the weekend. But anyway guys, thanks again for watching and catching the next video.